how to create a job when you want to use a SAP GUI program or SAP GUI transaction. You are not able to use the SAP application job. So you need to continue to use the job wizard SM36 with or SM36, but I prefer to create a job with the job wizard. So it's because it quickly guides you step by step through the process of creating a job, allowing you to move back and forth between steps in the process and to confirm the detail of the job you had just defined. So the first step, I call the transaction, then I click on continue. The first step is to define the name of the job. Just I'm looking for which job that I've to create in the environment. Okay, I identify this information and I identify it. So I put it some information in the same times in the email for my customer. So I quickly put the information. Okay, the first one is uh, ZSD. Okay, I double click on this point and go to the job detailed. Okay, it's good. And the step. Okay, so the job name. By convention, enter the new job name starting by that. Select a job class for the available options that is a low priority. In my case, it's a low priority. Yeah, low priority, or perhaps there are different options. It's a middle priority. So then I click on continue. Abrupt program step, yes, it's good. So if I click on continue, I enter the ABAP program name. Okay, I put in the GUI program. Okay, I select my variant. I can use the match code. If I do not find any variant, that suppose that somebody has forgotten to create this variant. So I will show you how to create quickly a variant in a program for a program. I just leave me set SD01. Okay, I just looking for. Okay. Okay, let's start to create a variant. So for that, I call new screen. Let me some few seconds. So for that, I will use the transaction SA38. So I show you. So I put in the menu my ABAP program name. Execute with variant. Okay, if I'm looking for, I do not see any variant. Overview, I click on overview of variant. If I click on the background, the program, if I click on background variant like this, variant name, repository, but the best way is to use SA38 edit up. Okay, I've got my program. I select variant. I click on change. I put the name of the variant that I want to create. In our case, I would like to create the variant ZSD01. So very simple. I put the name of the variant that I want to create. Then I click on create. I put all the information about the attribute of my variant. Okay, I keep this information, but I can add some other one in particular. Okay, so I would like to add some item category. So I click on the match code. Okay, I put this information. Okay, I click on execute. So I define sales document. I define some item category, but it's okay. If everything is good, I select all the information. Okay, settles. I click on attribute. I put the description of the variant, billing, billing plan sync. Okay, I I save. So for me, that sounds pretty good. Okay, I created a variant for that. So if I have a look right now to the transaction SA38 ABAP reporting, if I click on overview of variant, okay, I identify my variant. That sounds pretty good. So if I go back to my step of ABAP program step, if I use the match code right now, my variant name is available. I click on continue. Can I have some additional steps? No, I don't have to tick add additional step. I click on continue. Can if I've got if I want to define, I would like to send output for the step as emailed. If I want to a notification to be sent after the job termination, for example, the job is fail, I can put an email notification. So nothing for that. So I click on continue. So I define the start condition of my job. So as for me, it will be daily. So daily, I define that date and time. I click on continue. I define the schedule start is at 20 at 10 p.m. The period, I click on continue. I define the job periodicity. It's a daily periodicity. I click on continue. And if I want to go back and change anything, I can do it. For that, I just have to click on back. If everything is okay, I just have to click on complete. So my job has been saved with the statue release. Okay, I click on exit. So if I go back, okay, I've got some issue. I go back to my screen, and this time I'm going to call the SM37 to display my overview of the job selection. Okay, I click on enter. I put my job. I do not find and click schedule, release, ready, active, finish. Now just want to schedule and release it enough. I click on execute. Okay, I display my job name. I would like to make I would like to do some change. For that, I just have to click on more, job, and change. I would like to change something about the steps. For that, I just have to click on step. I select my step so I can define in the same job different step, different program to execute. So I click on change. For example, I want to change the user that will be executed by batch user. So then I click on check. Okay, it sounds to be good. I click on save. I click on back and I click on save. Okay, it's good. I finish it to create a new job in my system. So you follow all the job for SAP QE with the transaction SM36 and 37. And if you create a full theory, in this case, you can use directly as the application, not application job. So App Finder. See if I looking for. I just have to wait. Has I've got a large authorization sometimes, and it takes some times to have all the application quickly. So application job. Perhaps I do not define the authorization to display application job. Just perhaps I just have to look job. It's weird. I was sure that I was the authorization to use the application job. Application. I just don't think that is application. Perhaps. No, I don't have the authorization. In this case, I will show you in the next video how to add authorization for an app in Fiori.